Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Nissan Xterra grill. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket wrench. Park your vehicle on a flat, safe surface and make sure the engine is completely off. Then, open the hood to get a clear view of the top section of the grill, where the initial fasteners are located. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal process. Now, let's tackle the top fasteners. You'll find several plastic clips along the top edge of the grill. Gently pry these up with your flathead screwdriver. Next, locate any 10mm bolts, usually situated near the headlights, and remove them using your socket wrench. It's a good idea to keep all these small parts organized in a container so they don't get lost during the process. With the top fasteners out, we'll move to the lower section. Carefully reach behind the grill, near the bottom edge, to find the retaining clips. These clips have tabs that you'll need to gently push in to release them. Work your way across, releasing each clip one by one. Once all the lower clips are disengaged, you can carefully pull the entire grill straight out from the front of your Xterra. To reinstall, simply reverse the process. First, align the lower tabs of the grill with their slots on the vehicle and push firmly until they click into place. Then, reattach any 10mm bolts and all the plastic clips you removed earlier, ensuring everything is snug and secure. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. This ensures your grill is perfectly seated and ready for the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.